How to start a Depop shop, creating seller account. If you want to start a Depop shop and basically also create a seller account, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all actually open up your browser, then search for Depop sell, and you will see this type of interface. You want to make sure to click the first link from Depop start selling option here, and once you've done this, you will see the sign up option from the top right. So first step is for you to actually create a seller account, and once you've created a seller account, you'll be able to head on with the other processes. So here you can see your Google account or your Apple ID. You can directly link with those, or you can also just click on the continue with email option here, and once you've done that, you will be able to create a seller account by entering your first name, last name, email, username, and entering the password, clicking on the next option. After you do this, it might also ask you to verify your email and also enter some of your business or your shop information, and once you've done that, you will be able to start selling on Depop and start a Depop shop by listing the products or anything that you want to sell. So I hope that this video helped to clarify. If you have got any more questions for you, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.